Hey guys, it's Tammy with nursing.com, and I'm going to show you how you navigate through the courses in your nursing.com account. So from the top, if you just select the course tab, it'll take you to the whole course page. So from in here, you can select any course that you want. Let's just say we want to talk about EKG. Select EKG, select any lesson, and in here, it's going to give you the whole entire course. So you can actually select the next lesson from the side tab, or you can select the next lesson from the arrow right here. Once you're on the lesson that you want to be on, go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to see the cheat sheets. You can download and print those out if you'd like. You'll be able to see some Picmonics if you have a Picmonic account, image database, and an entire lesson overview. You can actually print out the lesson overview so you can take it to class and take notes on those. From here, you can actually do some questions that are relative to the lesson that you're on. If you want to add this lesson to your study plan, go ahead and hit the X, select the study plan that you want, and then hit submit. This will now be on the study plan that you want this lesson to be on. So it's pretty awesome. Now, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please reach out and we'd be happy to answer them. Now go out and be your best self today, and happy nursing.